But we have had the worst part, so right now it's going pretty quick. By the way, do not stop in that area. They actually get mad if you do so. On top you could actually see signs where they're sitting. Otherwise, if you stay on the wrong side, you actually have to climb over your chair to hand over your passport. But for us, we're standing on the good side. This is the UK border control. They actually speak English here. On the other side, they only speak French most of the time. After this border checkup, once again, they can send you over to the left, where you got 4 more gates, where they can do a close inspection, or they can send you to the X-ray machine. Most of the time, however, you can go straight forward, and then we're done with all the checkups. Then you literally get your gate number, so between 1 till 16 or 17 or so whatsoever, and you just follow the green arrows. You cannot go wrong with that. There we go. Gonna make sure that I'm on the left side, otherwise I have to climb my chair. So here we go, UK border control. Hello. That was me. Yeah. Okay, thank you. This guy actually spoke German. Where do they want us to go to? We're moving cones like crazy. Making sure that he can actually go to. Oh. So crossing through. Every day this is different, guys. So it's a little bit improvising. Sometimes you have to go to the left. Sometimes they create this. I have no idea why. I keep forgetting that I'm making YouTube videos, so music has to be off. But yeah, basically we did the UK border control. We can actually put away our passports. Next stop will this will either be dog sniffing and asking what you have on board, and then at the end, when we can actually finally drive through, we can actually have neutral. It's okay. We can actually get our number in. They just wanted to us to switch off the truck. There's a person standing to the left of me. You got more dog sniffing. Oh. The little guy is very enthusiastic. Very happy. Yeah. Next stop. It's like an improvised checking trucks lane. Right here, we're basically getting our number in of which lane we have to join to get to the train. And they will show me a number where we have to go through. Number 2. Let's go to number 2. And it's just following the green arrow. And this will be the last stop before entering the train. Here we go. Just shut down your engine and wait until the guy in front of you starts driving. This is probably gonna be the longest wait for your drive before entering the train. So, see you in a minute when we're actually driving towards the train.